If PC Disability Insurance Denmark pricing explained what you get for your money. What if you suddenly can't work because of an accident or illness? Most people don't realize how fast their savings can disappear without a steady income. That's why if PC Disability Insurance in Denmark exists to make sure you're financially protected no matter what happens. So, what do you really get for your money? If PC's Disability Insurance, known in Denmark as Tab of Erhvervsevneforsikring, provides a monthly income if you're unable to work due to long-term illness or injury. The price typically ranges between 3% and 6% of your insured income, depending on your age, job type, and coverage level. For example, if you earn 500 Danish kroner annually, your monthly premium might fall between 500 kroner. In return, you can receive up to 80% of your income, giving you financial security during tough times. The policy allows you to customize the waiting period, the time between when you stop working and when payments start. You can choose shorter periods like 30 or 60 days for quicker payouts, or longer ones like 6 or 12 months for lower premiums. If PC's coverage also includes partial disability benefits, rehabilitation support, and optional inflation protection to keep your payments aligned with the cost of living. And unlike basic public benefits, this plan gives you predictable, tax-free income that matches your lifestyle. Most people think disability insurance is unnecessary, but here's the truth: around 2/3 of long-term disability cases in Denmark are caused by illnesses like depression, back problems, or heart disease, not accidents. That means anyone can benefit from having solid protection. So, what do you get for your money? The peace of mind that your finances won't crumble if your health does. If PC Disability Insurance insures